Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Welspun Corp Ltd. Our analyst has maintained a positive view on the stock with an upgraded price target of Rs 828. Company recently got two large orders from US worth Rs 3700 crore and is expected to get 1-2 more orders in the coming months. Also, the foray in the B2C plastic pipes business through Syntex will help the valuation of the company. Next we cover Himatsingka Seide Ltd. Our analyst maintains positive view on the company with an upside potential of 32% over the next 12 months. Himatsingka Q2 performance was muted with revenue falling by 6.1% year-on-year, which was largely impacted by portfolio recalibration. EBITDA margin stood stable year-on-year at 20%, while PAT fell by 24.6% year-on-year. Portfolio recalibration hit shipping division's capacity utilization. It fell to 61% versus 66% in Q1. Management expects recalibration initiatives to impact shipping division for another 4 to 6 months before seeing an uptick. Net debt as of Q2 and stood at Rs 2700 crore. QIP proceeds of Rs 400 crore and internal accruals of Rs 200 crore used to reduce debt. Interest costs to reduce significantly. Stock trades at attractive valuation of 16 times FY25, 8 times FY26 and 7 times FY27 estimated EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.